Hello students, this is M. Vishalakshi, Assistant Professor of Sociology, Department of Sociology, GFGC Jalahalli, Devdurga Taluk, Raichur District. Today we shall discuss about the topic lifestyle and non-communicable disease, diabetes, which comes under the unit Social Epidemiology in India, BA 5th semester. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the topic lifestyle and non-communicable disease, diabetes. Diabetes, as you all know, is one of the largest global health challenges in the country. The number of the people living with both type 1 and type 2 diabetes is increasing day by day, causing severe social economic burden to the patients and to the society at large. Among the two types, type 2 diabetes, being common and more prevalent, contributes significantly to the increasing trend. The International Diabetics Federation has estimated that globally there are 415 million people with diabetes in 2015, and it is predicted to increase to 642 million by 2040. It is alarming to note that more than 47% of the world's population is still bound to increase further. Furthermore, 318 million people are estimated to have impaired glucose tolerance, and 20.9 million live births are affected by some form of hyperglycemia in pregnancy, of which 85.1% are due to gestational diabetes. People with type 2 diabetes are increasing in every country, but more than 80% live in low income countries such as India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Philippines, and Indonesia. Among the top 10 countries, India stands second with 69.2 million people with diabetes and another 36.5 million with pre-diabetes, which is high risk condition for diabetes and cardiovascular disease. These increasing incidence is mainly attributed to lifestyle changes, eating unhealthy food, and being physically inactive. A series of epidemiological studies carried out by India Diabetes Research Foundation in Southern India Federation to show the increase in prevalence of diabetes and pre-diabetes in city and rural population. The diabetes prevalence was 5% in 1985, 8.2% in 1989, 11.6% in 1995, 13.9% in 2000, and 18.6% in 2006 in city. The prevalence of diabetes in rural population was 2.2% in 1989, 5.9% in 2000, 6.4% in 2003, and 9.2% in 2006. Diabetes affects children and adolescents alike. Type 1 diabetes, though uncommon, is increasing at an alarming rate of 3% every year, particularly among children. In 2015, the number of children worldwide with type 1 diabetes exceeded half a million for the first time. In India alone, there are more than 70,000 children with this condition, second largest in the world after USA. Diabetes during pregnancy poses higher risk among women and bring long-term consequences for their offspring. Long-term diabetes causes increased risk of complication and disability affecting the heart, eyes, kidneys, and nerves. Cardiovascular disease in particular is one of the leading causes of death among the people with diabetes. So in this session we have discussed about diabetes, its causes, the prevention, and the references are Wikipedia, R. Venkataratnam, Medical Sociology in Indian Setting. Thank you.